Sami Jamfi position right now no a very delicate ohia security ankasa. Nanse no be say Sami Jamfi na eba no kuta muteke. No, Sami Jamfi position, don't look at Sami Jamfi. Sami Jamfi is like the governor.
Yeah.
Because ono na manage a gold economy no gold management no kwa. It won't protect no betimi ekuno.
Hey, that be no.
No, I'm telling you.
Just protecting.
That is what I was say protect to say they protect the president no.
Wow.
Yes.
Abuza for mamunyi na makwa about the bagan and same TV so. But more this will be like a video now, be subscribe to the channel, no attend no notifications, and be next time. Videos of this nature about on 70 Maccabi. Say the money when you refer me Mr. President, Mwasa some. Now if by chance you would want to contribute to your studio work sound, maybe any of course you want to set up a new studio. But my Richard in studio number never was here. In Sabeka, better was in a base so much appreciative so. Na nana Jantua yana di hano. On say oh say endi zaman you kunu twindi no moment is car. Allegations are around no moment is car. And say em say ho na commode no. Tam camera sini ni no about attacking this for. Na funu mu yema no ba no be set agenda man in this for. You should be very careful. You should be very, very, very careful. If you say Ghana na yeshe no okay media person so no men no kore ama Ghana for because the media is supposed to be the intermediate between the politician and the ordinary Ghanaian because politicians no sebi omo ko we word ordinary Ghanaian no from no kasa amount to the media would have to echo their voices. Banana Jantua is rather echoing the agenda of politicians, especially the NDC. Adeba asem no say one say how to say do you just accommodate no be no no about attacking this ten je say there be ye microphone ba ko attack no man bi ka credit am say sanity because no man award na do social media so me dem hu so you right em me abronya kan asem bi meet me repeat ko asem ni mood me dem ya ja asem na abronya kan na di what is wrong with Jantua so you say media you want me nya on me share in this attack ni ni share boot for boot because sebi do you know sebi on dwan magana Nana Jantua say Sami Jamfi a national asset so he should be protected said he protected president national asset and allegedly a laptop over 2 billion laptop 15 pay say 10 pills say national asset and watch 11 million Ghana cedis so the call renovation office national asset and wakoto television 800 million national asset and wakoto kitchen cabinet 1 billion national asset and waton good about $240 million national asset and waton good and for so $10 billion sekane hu be skanafa Nana Jantua be warned because I was so ye penny. As I was so no cry more mine. No will be too for to go mine. Yes, we my bonfon yim boo so ye penny. Unya be biddy. Unya coins be our account. Nafa cameras use one be canceling funus of wadi. Be warned, because you can't be playing with the intelligence and emotions of the ordinary Ghanaian. You think you're good at whatever you do. You are good in lying. We understand. Kona be trying to you and another Dr. Lad Mamu Baumiaso, and my Ghana for time one more giddy. You lack credibility. Na be good bodies can win a beauty. When you be no better social media now can see. Be careful. Be very, very careful. We will not sit for this to happen again. What data Ghana for watch? What the Ghana for diagrache? We should protect Sami Jamfi. Now Sami Jamfi protect the baby no here. Good body, the biang good body in Senegal, I'm say crampo, it's unti minchada. A band is any good reserves near 18 tons of good if you remember and say, some of you should come and answer us. Nana Jantua embassy no benyas and behind it. Commodore one be agenda in this. Omaka Castle from no be agenda, be careful. Because you can't be playing with the emotions and the intelligence of the ordinary Ghanaian. Be careful.
Sami Jamfi position right now no a very delicate ohia security ankasa Na say no be say Sami Jamfi na eba no kuta muteke. No, Sami Jamfi position. Don't look at Sami Jamfi. Sami Jamfi is like the governor.
Yeah.
Because ono na manage your gold. Economy no gold management no kwa. It won't protect no betimi ekuno.
Hey, that really
no, I'm telling you.
Just say protect.
That is what I want to say protect to say they protect the president no.
Wow.
Yes. It's not governors you protect you no. You protect judges no. Sana was say protect Sami Jamfi.
Because at a gold board na
gold board. Gold, which is one of our assets, our resources. And somebody is managing it. He's managing your money.
Oh, okay.
And gold here baby or why your man conform nya in Yamasa. Now uko mines now mo be fan gold na. Home be fire akoko he. E tuo ne hwan ya wo ho na. Wo ya list me say kra betew. Eno kra no e duru akach mines for na. So mba be fa gold na. Baby awo bia say helicopter ni say baby awo bia o ma ogina. You don't move.
Yeah, okay.
You don't move.
The last time I called the helicopter na befa.
You don't move. And that's what we do. And to go to one sem no a lot, he has to be protected. I think what he's doing is good. I would suggest that Obiam ombuku appointment
with the party people.
And yet to say unquite me back because we nipa.
Yeah. The book appointment if I want
book appointment who say okay, wo no obeba next week muna moba we e be kwa beti me in constituency by constituency. Sami or your communicator onye chairman
onye general secretary
onye general secretary or just communicator and nyame ya adom baby owo no
yeah
and Sami or ya do ye pa Sami is a mad giver
yeah
and conform bebre chiniska what they say and Sami you obi a say onya bi se sie ya o mane nka ne bottom that is who he is I say yeah givers no. See, that is how Sami is. So we bought Sana Sami. Engine and confront Tias says Sami, or a unique in Yamia Shrano. Opa Kadiobeka, Sami Denfi, or your beer. Yanko Point Shrano, special. We are who fear ye. Your uncle Feboha, Opa Bonidia, Fiency.
God has blessed you.
God, because the number of matter of feeding, we pray for.
Yeah.
Sami Denfi, or Nisika. Bois no bois. Say chale mo ma na mo ye medi nkomo enye ho na do burden because my catch say CEOs no muntimi peke no jo mahama structure ni tuntimi niska
ha no mbe so chirim wa de na mahama ye omo a
asa wo hwe NSS ne nyoma ekọ pass yi a no mutimi ye jiri gogu on say ebini
ele unjiri nya
ele untimi nye hwe mini afuseni donko on na hwa kwa ekom de no because right now no che say national service answer no mu betua ka no pass it through national security.
Hey.
Yes, that is what is happening over there.
Like, are you serious?
I'm telling you. Now they say me and deputy.
And
Ona wo say ni donko.
O ma yire mu.
Unya hu twabre. Say pressure do mo so no.
Ma so esa wa so onye obi ama na nya adwuma ne ma no.
Debut, say a reset. Ono no wa bonu hu dua so wonni. Etu o ma wonni.
Vat o so wudi bi no yo che o be hange o.
Ono se MPP fo ho ye na hi ono no to say na yetete wo yi a na nado 80 something years yetete wo yi a wo bie wa no wo papa no maame antete wo yi enti emfia na nado aduru tim ka che na nado so ye arrogance enam sa papa no maame ama wo ntete enti na yetete wo yi pa dia efia ye to na nade se nka respect wo ho efia ye to na bia ye tete o mu yie enam so papa no maame antete o yie enti na nado wo na nano no 80 something years wo so ye arrogant aponti Jantua o ye dede nyina so ni ba biti o eye kwan no se na ote apie na asabi e na ote ano o ye dede ne na kasesem etwa o isu command na ne hontade jesi ne ho toroka tabia ne ntade ehye toroka oni na muse ya na abrabona bitin because maame na oni maame ne dae na okokwa maame ne ncha okokwa maame ne hu ya na aponti Jantua ne maame ne ba on incest a criminal offense and omo jeti honum and omo kata so no de nam ho incest a criminal offense. Appointed Jantua say onima. Go and read the criminal code. Incest a criminal offense. Say one obi ne ne ba nyina adabom. One maame no onam so nyina no ayi sugar mommy fo no no omotwempena. Onam ho nyina no no ama mensi wofo no no asimi ho na me ba bedifo e no no omotwempena okumase wo. Babi ombe no asini ho a onto ne bottom. Onenam ho nyina no akunafo na onenam omoso a ono omotwempena na owia odi bomba akupa wia onti wo biem no eno na de ne bre sa boy no ono ara sika kurant me nyina ne nsam eye maame na one ne ba ne nyina da bom no one maame ne twempena maame ne hu ya na aponti Jantua ene ne ba no so twempena we nipa we integrity aponti Jantua wo timi kase akofo adoye arrogance.
And now Sika involved in this scandal, 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on to Momo some of Tuama. This useless NDC government, a 11 million Ghana cedis now quackuding for Fubutum, na as a film. Now, Quanya Sika, Efasuko ding for Fubutum, through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba ben man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tran dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo yusu ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin krofo bobotom na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we oma di Ghana for dream we Sami Jenfi oye gold board CEO ana ni otosu mienu Stan Logbe currently oye deputy chief of staff onu anso na owner of Wezo Group Company sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omu yusu omo subsidiary bi a yefe no Koreka Ghana Limited ana omu di Ghana for dwurem we na ye nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a efri any baby akwa akoduru na kai se me say ekwanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and create loot and share and cronyism. Now mobeka ya na nado danko akufuado aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na one cry. Am I crying for na ham? It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building, and course I new building. Now NDC bar power. How more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes, almost be free on old building ako Bank of Ghana. On old building now on free mono. Now Munti ni hana create loot and share no woman. Sa Bank of Ghana office no mu free mo no. Well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing yema won bi chese bibia ye correct woman. Any company ebetimi aye adwuma woman wombre. But Sami Jenfi said uhia 11 million Ghana cedis no dey renovation keke. Nanya building ni nyina mpo no dey renovate you. Just a section, small parts of the building no. And as Sami Jenfi, perceive or yet that renovation, but also being 11 million Ghana cedis. Sefim, and concordance. Now, company Sami Jenfi awarded contract, man, Sefim. Corruption, conflict of interest, company needing at the Koreka Ghana Limited. Now, a subsidiary of Wezo Group Company. Mubeka is a mechanic says our Wezo Group Company no. Stan Logbe or yet currently deputy chief of staff for there. Now I had a conflict of interest in a bemono. Munim say as deputy chief of staff, literally or to say deputy HR of the government. No share appointees if we almost so reported to him into Sami Jenfi literally report to some Stan Logbe. Ana Stan Logbe so ne mahama free mobeka mahama ko baby as deputy chief of staff or act like even bodyguard no pempem crofut me boso jeni bi kura sum some kai san sebe no into one mahama ye free pa ana osan so ehwe same jamfi ensem so our upper hand was same jamfi so of a sort in terms of a organogram of the government enti or the sa ne tumi no ana akwaje sa contract no sa ni position or when this mu no eno no de akwaje contract na as if say contract we no o man go through competitive bidding no e so sourcing ye hampeke stand look be ne company correct no ye hampeke no and ye the contract ne man 11 million Ghana cedis na as if na you see in some no say melkia a bomb is things to the highest heavens. Now, me babe mouth some of the facts. A be blow mind. You see, a da some individual letter no, a de award the contract no. Emma with Koreka Ghana Limited. 18th July 2025. And then that's the 18th July. Saturday na.